in the northeast of the Indian Ocean, in the archipelago of Indonesia, you can find Bali, the island of the gods. It was sculptured millions of years ago by volcanic eruptions. Now it's a home to over 4 million people. At this moment, Bali is known as the #1 holiday destination of Indonesia. Rich of nature, tropical beaches, culture, art, restaurants, and nightlife. It's estimated that annually 2.5 million tourists visit the island of Bali. Big part of Balinese lifestyle is the balance with nature and culture. The main religion of Bali is Hinduism. There are offers and thanks being made every day for a healthy and balanced life. Bali has a young and fast-growing Shisha culture with Hookah Club as trendsetter. Located in the heart of Seminyak, the Shishas are prepared by the top hookah masters of Bali, educated by Shisha Academy, with Indonesian top-quality tobacco from Tombak on an international standard.
And now, our mix.
Durian, 30%. Ice, 10%. Irish cream, 30%. Arjuna, 30%.
Ini kan bergantungan sama tali jatuhnya ini, dan jatuh ke bawah. Di sini ada semuanya 10 pohon, cuma berbuah baru 4 pohon.